Hello students, let us discuss group 15 elements reactivity towards halogen. Group 15 elements, that is nitrogen, phosphorus, arsenic, antimony, bismuth. These form two series of halide of type EX3 and EX5, where E is the elements of 15 group and X represent the halogen. EX3 is called as trihalides, EX5 are called as pentahalides. The trihalides are formed by all the elements, while pentahalides are formed by all the elements except nitrogen, because nitrogen cannot form pentahalides due to the absence of vacant d orbital in its outermost shell. Therefore, it cannot expand its oxidation state to +5. Similarly, the last element, that is bismuth, it have very less tendency to form pentahalides, because as we have learned that top to bottom the stability of +5 oxidation state decreases and the stability of +3 oxidation state increases. So because of this reason, we can say that due to inert pair effect, the stability of +5 oxidation state decreases. Therefore, bismuth being the member which is down to the group 15, it have very less tendency to form pentahalides. We can say that due to the inert pair effect, the stability of +5 oxidation state decreases down the group. Now, let us discuss the structure for trihalide and pentahalide. Trihalide, its shape is pyramidal, just like the shape of ammonia. In the case of PCl3, P is the central atom and terminal atom are 3Cl here. Now here there is a lone pair on the phosphorus, so its geometry is pyramidal. Pentahalide, the geometry is, that is trigonal bipyramid. That is the example for PCl5. Let us discuss the hybridization in the case of PCl3, that is trihalide of phosphorus. As we have learned the hybridization of PCl3 last year, it forms sp3 hybridization, in which from 4 hybrid orbital, here 3s has 2 electron, that forms a lone pair here, and there are 3 electrons in each p orbitals. So from 4 hybrid orbital, 3 hybrid orbital forms bond with chlorine and 1 hybrid orbital remain as lone pair here. So we can say that hybridization is sp3, bond pair 3 bond pairs, because 3 bonds are formed and there is 1 lone pair. So the shape of PCl3 is pyramidal. In PCl5, the central atom is phosphorus. The ground state electronic configuration for phosphorus for the outermost shell, that is 3s2 3p3. So from the 2 electron in 3s, one of the electron gets shifted to the 3d orbital. So the hybridization is sp3d. Because of this reason, there is 5 hybrid orbitals here, and 5 hybrid orbital makes a bond with 5 chlorine atoms. So it makes the structure, that is trigonal bipyramid. So the 3 important points in this topic are: nitrogen does not form pentahalide, as we have discussed, because in nitrogen the outermost shell is second. So in the second shell there is absence of vacant d orbital, so it cannot expand its oxidation state to +5. That's why nitrogen does not form pentahalide. Second point, pentahalides are more covalent than trihalides. Third point, all trihalides of 15 group except nitrogen is stable. So this is all about this video. That is, here we have discussed the group 15 elements, its reactivity towards halogen. This is all about this video. Have a nice day.